In this video, let me walk you through on how to use custom product and code right. Using custom product can be used when you're coding a product not listed on any of your suppliers. This is handy if you don't use the product often or if it's for a one-time purpose only. To show you how this works, first let's go to the codes page, locate the job you want to update, and then click on Edit Code. Once you're in this page, make sure you've already added the windows, then click the plus button to create a custom product. Under the drop-down menu of type, change the option from standard to custom. Then it will load all the necessary information you have to fill out. We have here the brand or supplier. Then the next field is the category, where you can select from the existing list, or you can make your own by clicking on the Create button. The next fields will give you the option to put in the cost price, as well as the sell price. Then we have here the details where you can input additional information or options for the custom product. You can even create your own template by clicking this button. So let's select from the drop-down list for now, and then click on Use. If you have any notes for internal communication, you can also put it on the last section. This part will be hidden from the code. Creating your own template is also available. So let's select one for now, and then click on Use. If you're all good with the details, click on Save. Now once added, the product will show up like this. It will give you the brand name. We also have the details, and of course the notes. To view or edit any information here, just click anywhere on the custom product. Let's say you want to change the sell price to 30. Put it in, and then don't forget to click Update Product to apply the changes. So that's it for today's video. I hope this will help you maximize the function to your advantage. Please continue to check our other videos while we show you more about the processes in the system.